My top tip for maintaining your tumble dryer. Firstly, every time, check your filter. On this one, it reminds you every time you go to use it. Simply remove the filter and wipe off any fluff. Now this can build up every time after use. Also, every couple of weeks, if you've got a condenser dryer, take out the condenser and make sure that this is not clogged up with fluff, because this can affect the drying. So simply hold it up to the light, long ways and width ways. If it is all choked up in there, out in the garden with a hose pipe and fire some water down in through, that should wash your fluff out. And then ensure you put your condenser back in correctly, lock the clips down, put your filter back in, and then you should have a better drying result.